What's good, Comedy Crusaders? You've just hit the jackpot with my YouTube channel, the home of construction's funniest fails. We've raided the internet to find clips so wild, you'll be laughing louder than a jackhammer at a comedy club. From workers tripping over their own egos to tools with a sense of humor, we've got it all. New videos every day, so hit subscribe, comment your funniest moments, and let's get this chuckle factory rolling. Ray. Time to sign off? If you're not giggling, you're made of stone. Thanks for tuning in. 7 p.m. tomorrow for more chaos. Later.